This is Industrial Surplus, and we're videotaping a Niederberger four-headed vertical belt sander. Basically, parts are loaded on this end through a pad or a pod, I guess, loaded onto a pod and shipped underneath the rollers for hold downs, passes under the belts to various finishing heads, sanding grits on the belts, to a polishing wheel, and out the other side where it would get kicked over by an actuator. The actuator needs to be worked on a little bit, back down the return conveyor to the operator where it's unloaded, loaded up again, and returned. You got vertical belt adjustments for height in terms of getting down to the work. And I believe this machine here has coolant. And I'll videotape the
Matt Sealy 7273, Matt 7273.
I want to get that panel there. Okay, that's it.
It's the guard that goes down. Stop the park coming out.
Oh yeah.
Safety guard.
Right, just a little extra guarding during the transfer of the conveyors. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.